Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI, exploring how cutting-edge tools can supercharge our online experiences. We've all heard of ChatGPT, but did you know there are other incredible AI companions that can take your tasks to the next level? Buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey to discover the top 5 AI tools that perfectly complement ChatGPT. First up, let's talk about everyone's writing confidant, Grammarly. This AI-powered writing assistant is a language perfectionist. It detects those pesky grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors, and even suggests better word choices. By teaming up with ChatGPT, Grammarly ensures that your generated text is not only brilliant but also polished to perfection. So say goodbye to awkward sentences and embrace eloquence. Next on our list is IBM Watson Language Translator. This AI tool is like a multilingual magician, breaking down language barriers effortlessly. With its help, ChatGPT can provide real-time translations for users speaking different languages. Now, your content can reach a global audience, fostering inclusivity and breaking cultural boundaries. The power of communication has never been so accessible. Let's turn our attention to TextRazor, the NLP powerhouse. This AI tool excels in entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and language detection. By joining forces with ChatGPT, TextRazor supercharges the model's capabilities. Not only can ChatGPT generate insightful text, but it can also extract deeper insights and analyze the generated content's sentiment and key themes. Now, your AI companion becomes a knowledge treasure trove. Hold tight as we venture into the realm of Microsoft Text Analytics. This AI tool is a sentiment analysis expert. By integrating it with ChatGPT, you'll unlock the power to gauge the generated text sentiment. Whether it's positive, negative, or neutral, you'll know precisely how your audience feels about your content. The path to meaningful engagement just got a whole lot clearer. Last but not least, meet Diffbot, the web scraping wizard. With its AI magic, Diffbot can automatically extract and organize data from web pages. Partnering up with ChatGPT, this dynamic duo will fetch and summarize information from online sources. Imagine having your AI assistant research and curate relevant content for you. It's like having a dedicated research assistant in your back pocket. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 AI tools that form the dream team alongside ChatGPT, enhancing your online experiences like never before. From writing prowess with Grammarly to multilingual adventures with IBM Watson Language Translator, empowering information extraction with TextRazor, sentiment analysis with Microsoft Text Analytics, and data extraction with Diffbot, these AI companions are the future of AI collaboration. So, the next time you're venturing into the virtual realm, remember to equip yourself with these incredible AI tools to level up your tasks and unlock your full potential. Thanks for joining us on this AI adventure. Hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.